In this lesson today, we are going to learn use a given fraction to find the whole and or other fraction. What does it mean? So we can say if it is 3 quarter of 20. In algebra, of means what? Anybody else in algebra, of means what?
Times.
Times. Oh, thank you, Musawar. So of means time sign, right? So let's write down here. It is 3/4. Of means times and it is 20. Poor 20 is crying. No one is there. I said, okay, you can take one, right? So now 20 is happy. 20 over 1. So 3 over 4 and 20. So there are two ways we can solve this. Yeah. So first way is first way. So this is first method and then here it is second method. First method, you multiply top with top. So 3 times 20 is how much? 60. Okay, thank you. 3 times 20 is 60 and bottom with bottom number. 4 times 1 is 4. And we can simplify. Half of 60 is
30.
and half of 4 is 2. And 30 divided by 2 is 15. So this is first method. Second method, it's up to you. Whatever method you want, you can take it. Second method is it was 3 over 4 of 20 and there was 1. We can cancel it. 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 5 is 20. So we have cancelled 20 by 4. And remember, whenever you are cancelling, one number has to be in the numerator and other number has to be in denominator. And there should be a multiplication sign in between. Okay. Now what is left? 3 and 5. And what is the sign here? Times. So 3 times 5 is 15. So in both cases, you are getting 15. Is that okay? Okay, go. So see here, here it is 4 divided by 3 of 18. This is question number 1. And question number 2 is 3 divided by 5 or 3/5 of 25. So what you need to do, first of all, 4 over 3 of means times 18 is all alone. So suppose there is 1 here, right? And the best way is if you do cancellation. Cancellation means top number cancelled by bottom number and make sure there should be a multiplication sign in between. So 3 times 1 is 3. You can cancel it. And how many 3's are going in 18?
6.
6. Okay, it is 6. So see, 18 cancelled. You can see there are two number left. That is 4 and 6. And there's a time sign in between. So 4 times 6 is
24.
24. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, next one is 3/5 of 25. So 3/5 of means time sign and here it is 25. Below 25 there is nothing. So what we can assume? 1. Okay, we can do cancellation. We can cancel 5 and 25. So 5 times 1 is 5. And how many 5's are going in 25?
5.
5. Okay, what is left here? 3 and 5. And there's a multiplication sign in between here. So 3 times 5 is 15. So this 15 and 24 is your answer. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's make it little different. Now question is, if it is 1 2/3 of 9. So first of all, you need to tell me which fraction it is. This one, which fraction it is? Okay, Ruby, which fraction it is? Okay. Menas, which fraction it is? 1, 2 or 3. And what it is called? What it is called? Yes. Mixed fraction. So this is mixed fraction, right? Okay. Musawar, you need to tell. When you are converting mixed fraction into a normal fraction, how you are going to write?
So I did 3 times 1.
That
3
is?
times the whole number, 3, and then you add the 2.
So 3 plus 2 is?
5.
5. So we are going to write down
5.
5 over 3. What type of fraction is this one? 5 over 3. Raise your hand. 5 over 3. Yes, Mr. Khan. Improper fraction. Are you happy with Mr. Khan?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is improper fraction. And can anybody say it in a different way or in a better way? What does improper fraction means? This is improper fraction. Okay, 1 minute. Improper fraction. So Menas, you are going to define. Yes. Okay, when numerator is bigger than denominator. Can anybody say it in a different way? Say it again better. Anybody else from my right hand side? Okay. Yes, Maria. How we can say improper fraction? Amber? Imad? Yes?
Is it where the numerator is a whole?
Yeah, numerator is big. Yes, Musaba?
Oh, sorry.
Okay, and you can say numerator is heavy, right? Numerator is heavy. So top heavy. So this is heavy or big. So numerator is big and denominator is small, then it is improper. So let's see question here. So first of all, you need to change it into a mixed fraction. 3 times 1 is 3. You are multiplying first and then you are adding 2. Okay, so 3 times 1 is 3 and plus 2, it is 5 over 3. Of means times and it is 9 over 1. Okay, how we are going to cancel? Okay, and which two number we can cancel? Can we cancel 5 and 3 or can we cancel 9 and 3? Yeah? Yes, dear? 9 and 3. Why did you choose 9 and 3?
Because 3 times 1 is 3, and then 3 goes into 9 3 times.
Yeah, that's fine. Or you can say 9 and 3, or 9 comes in 3 times table. Yeah, that's why we choose 3. So see here, 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. So what is left? 5 left, 3 left, multiplication sign in between. 5 times 3 is 15. And in the denominator, 1 left. So either you write 1 or you don't write 1. It hardly affects the fraction. Okay. Now, questions for you. Welcome back. If you have tried these questions, yeah, 7 over 3 of 21. So 7 over 3 of 21. Zoya, explain this.
So divide by the bottom and then times by the top.
Okay, so you are dividing. Tell me the number. You are dividing. Which two number you are dividing?
21 and 3.
So 21 divided by 3 is how much? 7. So, and what is your answer?
49.
7 times 7 is 49. Thank you. Okay, Iman. 3 over 7 of 49. Explain this one.
That's
Yeah.
49.
Yeah. 49 divided by 7 is how much? 7.
7.
So we can cancel and we got 7. And your final answer is? Thank you. Okay. Good, Karan. Question number 3. Explain, please.
So you did 4 with 3 multiplied by 18.
Okay. Then,
And then you do 18 divided by 3, which is 6.
thank you. And then,
And then you multiply 4 by 6, which is 24.
thank you. Okay. Hala. 5 by 9 of 27. This is for you.
You do 27 divided by 9,
Okay. Then,
which is 3, and then you multiply 5.
so 27 divided by 9, you got 3, right? And then,
Then you times 3 by 5.
and 5 times 3 is how much? 15. Is that okay? So this is what you need to do. Now let's see some different type of questions. Okay, so here's a question. 3/5 of a number is 12. What is the number? Can you tell me what is the number? What is the number? Please try. Yeah. Okay, so here is 3/5 of a number. So first of all, we don't know what is number. Okay, and this is we need to find. Yeah, this is missing here. So let's see, our number is x, right? And x we need to find. So let's start from here. So this is 3/5, right? So this is 3/5. So write down 3/5. Then it is off. Off means time and x. You can see here, this is our time sign and this is our letter x. Okay, this is what the difference when you are writing in algebra. X you need to make like this. So 3/5 of x is 12. So is means equal sign. So we can write down neatly 3/5 of x is 12. Is that okay? Is that fine? Again, 12 is crying, no one is there. I said, don't worry, here is 1 in the denominator. Is that okay? Now, so after that, 3 is multiplied with x, there is something called cross multiplication, right? Cross multiplication, you are multiplying 5 with 12 and 1 with 3. This is called cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication. So when you multiply by 1 into 3x, when you multiply by 1 into 3x, Ekjot, what will you get?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
1 multiplied by 3x, what will you get?
3x.
3x, thank you. 1 multiplied by 3x, because 1 you multiplied by any number, you'll get the same number, 3x. And 5 times 12 is how much? 5 times 12, you are multiplying 5 with 12. 5 times 12 is how much? 60. Okay, now we want to find x here. Okay, so see, it is 3 times something is 60. So what should be x? You divide by 3 both side. Yeah. Why we are dividing by 3? Because between 3 and x there is a time sign, invisible time sign. You do opposite. So divide by 3. So 3 and 3 cancel, and 60 divided by 3 is 20. Or you can do it like this as well. 3 times something is 60. So what should be the number here? 20. So 3 times 20 is 60. So answer is 20. So you got the right answer. What was your name? Sorry? Rayan. So Rayan already said the answer in the beginning, 20. So well done, Rayan. 1 achievement point. Okay. So this is 20. But if we want, we can do it other way as well. Yeah. And what is other way? Just have a look. Okay. So we start our journey from here. So this was our question. 3/5 of x is 12. And we need to find x. So what you need to do, see here. So let's write down the question. This is second method. So 3/5 of x is 12. So you start reverse process here. So this is 12. You can multiply reverse of this, inverse operation. So 3/5. What is reciprocal of 3/5? Reciprocal. It should be reverse. So it should be, yeah. So 3/5. So inverse of 3/5 is 5/3. And you can multiply. 12 times 5, there is nothing here. So 1. 12 times 5 is 60. And 60 divided by 3 is 20. Is that okay? So questions, you can do it like this. I'm giving you one more example for you. So see here. If it is 2/6 of something is x, so that you need to find, and it is 12, right? So what should be the x? So first way is, you can do 2/6 of means times, here is x, there is 1 and it is 12. So we got 2x over 6 equal to 12 and here 1. Now you do cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply. 1 times 2x is 2x, and 6 times 12 is 72, and you divide by 2 both sides. So x we got 36. And second method is very easy. So you start with the answer, it is 12. Okay, here this 2 is multiplied. We will do inverse operation. 2 is multiplied with x, so you divide by 2. And here 6 is here in the division. Yeah, x is divided by 6, so you can multiply. So you just do flip. So if somebody is standing this, you just make him stand like this. Okay, so it was 2/6, so you can write down 6/2 and you can multiply. 2 times 6 is 12 and 6 times 6 is 36. So it's up to you, whatever way you want to follow, you can follow. Is that okay, Ruby? Yeah, is that fine? You want me to explain one more question? Is that okay? Now practice question for you. You can use both method. Yeah. Now practice question for you. So first question is 2/5 of a number is 30. Find the number. Please start working. Find the number. And the question number 2 is 3/4 of a number is 28. Okay. And find the number. Please start working out. If you see here, 2/5 of a number is 30. So what we are going to do, 2/5 of a number is x, is 30. First method. So cross multiply here and here. So 1 times 2x is 2x and 5 times 30 is 150 and divide by 2 both sides. So what did you get? X is 75. Okay. Second method if you want to use for this one. So second method, see here, you just write down 30 and do inverse operation. 2/5, you write down 5/2. Now 30 divided by 2 is 15 and 15 times 5 is 75. Next one, 3/4 of a number, of means time, number is 28. So cross multiply, 1 times 3x is 3x and 4 times 28 is how much? 112? Yeah. Guys, you need to say 4 times 28 is how much? Okay. And divide by 3 both sides. So once you divide by 3 both sides, so 112 divided by 3 is 3 times 3 is 9 and 2 37.33 recurring. So recurring we can put dot here. Or if you want to use shortcut method, just write down 28 here and flip this 3/4 as 4/3. Right? And you can multiply. Again, you are getting the same thing because you can't simplify 28 by 3. So it should be 112/3, that is 37.3. Is that okay? Is that okay? Thank you. Too long, right?
Yeah.
Video 17 minutes.
I think it's fine. Good for learning. Hey, I'm not spending 17 minutes watching a video. It'll be good for you. Educational.
Okay, that's fine.